morning. Today we have an example of green engineering concept. It is used in this example to illustrate how to build a dynamic fuzzy logic controller. Greenhouses are used to cultivate plants by continuously maintaining good conditions for growth throughout the year. The challenge of using devices to control the environment is to have a consistent controller that can adapt to any weather condition. Fuzzy logic can be used to describe a controller for a process like this. On the other hand, it becomes difficult to create controller rules for every climate condition, and a good strategy is to create dynamic controller. A dynamic controller can change itself or its parameter on the fly without stopping controller action, or you can say in the real time. And in this case is presented a controller that can shift its membership function to adapt itself to the temperatures in every weather condition. In this case, I just have four weather conditions. In the summer, the average temperature are higher. In the winter, the average temperature are lower, and so on in the case of springs and fall. You can also make it for rainy season also. It depends on you. Change up to you can change seasons up to according to your conditions. Now I just show you the working of this VI. So I just run it. As we know, in the case of summer, temperature is high. Let's say we have example of Ghaziabad, or you can say Delhi NCR. Temperature is around 40 plus and humidity is around, let's say, 60, nearby 60. You can also mention using digital display to get the exact value. As you see, roof opening required, how much percentage, and water spills requirement. And in this case, I just selected summer. Let's say I just go for the spring for the same temperature. As you see, my membership function shifted. In the case of fall, my membership function shifted. And if the same condition comes in winter, so as you see, now I just make it for the winters. The temperature is nearly around 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity is also less in this case. Now I just move to the fall, spring, summer. Here, cold is blue, orange is normal condition, and red is warm condition. So this is how you can create your membership functions for your system, or you can say greenhouse system. Now I just show you the code also. This will load your file, or you can say you just load your .fs file which contain initial fuzzy logic rules. It has membership function, it has rule base, it has defuzzification methods. All this you just need to put over here. The fs file should be there. This is my, it perform the logic controller based on the information received from this file. Okay, or you can say based on the shift registers, the initial information come from .fs file. And this third part over here, this is the comparison. Check if the control has a different value from the previous loop iteration or not. Next, this will get the membership function point of input variable and change the value using a simple shifting algorithm. Here we have a shifting algorithm. All these are my shifting algorithms like 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now the set the membership function points with the new values. It is updated values. And over here, it just display the membership function in the graph. So user can see how they were affected as the season changes. As we see, in my case, there are 4 seasons. So this is how we can create our program for the spring season, fall, winter, and how roof opening and water requirement changes according to the season change. Thank you.